Hey y'all! Today we going old school, Creole tea cakes. So let's get started. We start by creaming together some salted butter and some shortening. These are the soft tea cakes. They are slightly domed, they melt in your mouth, and they have a nicely brown bottom. So what you want to do is cream the butter just until it's smooth. This should take about a minute or so if your butter will soften. Then we add some granulated pure cane sugar. Don't mind the lumps, my prep bowl was a bit damp. But you want to mix the sugar and the butter together until it's incorporated but looks a little coarse. Then we add our large egg and we mix until the batter is smooth and the sugar is dissolved. This should take about a minute or so. Next, we add our buttermilk. Now, over the years of making these, I find it best to stop the mixer, add the ingredient, then incorporate, as opposed to a continuous mixing while adding the ingredients. And next we add flavorings. These are old-fashioned classic tea cakes, so the predominant flavors are vanilla and lemon, which go so well with the nutmeg. I'm sure you could use all vanilla or all lemon flavorings. If y'all experiment, let us know what you tried. After the flavoring comes the flour mixture. This is a mixture of cake flour, cornstarch, salt, baking soda, and nutmeg. For the right texture, the mixture needs to be run through the sifter twice. Then you add the flour mixture in thirds. The first 1/3, then incorporate. You don't have to incorporate fully. Just mix it enough so that a majority of the flour is incorporated. And then when you add the final 1/3 is when you'll make sure all of your flour is incorporated. This may take a minute or so. And then once you have it mostly incorporated, if you have some of flour, any loose flour around the bowl, then manually swipe around the bowl to finish incorporating any of your loose flour. You're looking for a soft, thick, sticky batter between pound cake batter and cookie dough. Then use a 1-ounce scoop to measure out the batter. These tea cakes will end up being about 3 inches in diameter, so space them accordingly. This is a parchment lined baking sheet. No need to use any baking spray, just parchment only. It takes only 18 to 22 minutes to bake in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven. And here they are. These tea cakes will be a dark golden yellow on top, like the color of high-fat butter, and golden brown on the bottom and sides, but they'll be soft. And when you bite into it, your top teeth will hit a pillowy inside, and your bottom teeth will feel a soft snap from the bottom. And there you have it, old school, soft, Creole-style tea cakes. Give them a try. And remember, when you mix a little bit of Creole with a little bit of Cajun, that's good eating. See y'all next time.